Excuse me. Hey. Could you please ask your friend to stop kicking my seat?
Well, she's not my friend, but I'll ask her. Hey. That guy wants you to stop kicking his seat.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Yeah, okay.
You didn't press the call button?
No.
Probably just a glitch. Sorry about that.
Yeah, that's okay for you. What you smiling for, smiley boy?
You did call her.
No.
Yeah, I saw you press the button.
Swan press the button, yeah. No. Yeah.
Well, pressing the button calls the stewardess.
Okay.
Hi, did you want anything or is it still just acting up?
No, yeah, okay.
So you didn't press the call button?
No, it's acting up, yeah.
I'm sorry about that. Listen, if it goes off again, I'll get someone down here to take a look at it.
Oh, thanks, you're a nice lady.
Looks like your light went on again.
Yeah, what's the lunch?
It's right here, but all right, I might as well start with you guys. Would you like chicken a la Kiev or beef teriyaki?
Don't I tell you, I call the phone and I tell you everything.
You called me on your phone?
Yeah, everything. When I was salon, I called. I said, I want this.
Oh, you called it a special order. I'm sorry.
Yeah, special order.
Oh, there you go. Ms. Swan. You got the vegetarian.
Yeah, the vegetarian nut.
Yeah.
There with a little bit of bacon.
Oh, no. There's no bacon on the vegetarian.
Come on, just a little bit of
No, there's no bacon. I mean, that's sort of the whole thing about vegetarian stuff is that there's, no meat, just vegetables.
Okay,
So,
yeah, that's what I want.
so the vegetarian.
Yeah, but with a little bit of bacon.
No, there's no bacon. There's no bacon on that at all. I'm
But there's a
sorry.
lady on the phone said I could get the bacon.
The lady said you could have bacon.
The lady on the phone, the lady
Okay.
on the
You know what?
phone.
Let me see what I can do.
Okay.
Would you please stop kicking my seat?
Yeah, okay.
What?
What? What?
You didn't press the button?
No.
You better watch yourself. They're gonna throw you off this thing.
Okay, yeah. I watch myself.
What?
Something just bit me.
Excuse me?
What, is there a dog loose or something?
No, there's no dog.
Scooby-Doo on the plane.
No, ma'am. There's no dog. There's no dog. And you can't stand on the seat. You're going to have to get down.
But I don't want to get bit by Scooby-Doo.
No, ma'am. Scooby-Doo is not on the plane.
What bit me if it wasn't
Something
Scooby-Doo?
bit you? I have no idea. No, Scooby-Doo is not on the plane.
Maybe it was a snake.
It's not a snake. There's no snakes allowed on the plane. Ma'am, there's no snakes allowed on the plane.
Oh, no.
What?
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 Ma'am. Oh, come on.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I saw you press the button that time.
Come on, lady. You only believe what you see. What is inside is what you feel the matter.
What?
No.
Oh,
Please stop kicking my seat. Please.
sir, I'm going to need you to pipe down for
This
just
is
one
your
second.
captain speaking. We seem to have caught a nice little tailwind and are going to be landing a little early today. As a matter of fact, we landed about 2 minutes ago. Thank you for flying United Airlines and have a wonderful day.